Hello friends, hope you all are doing good. So after a long wait, I came live again. So in my last video, I have shared the course content for the EBS. So today, let me describe you the course content, what we are going to cover in this EBS training. So in this course, we are going to cover the introduction session. So what is EBS? What, why, and how. What is EBS, why it is needed, and how we are going to implement this in the business and enterprise companies for the companies. Then we will learn about the AOL. AOL is Application Object Library. So we will deep dive into this AOL. So it includes a lot of things. It includes user, responsibility, menu, function, form, request group, what is application, what is concurrent program. We will learn flex field, descriptive and key flex field, what is value set, what is laser, operating unit, inventory organization and sub-inventory locators. So we will learn all this in AOL part. And then we will learn how to develop a XML publisher report, and we will do a cycle for the procure to pay, what is procure to pay, what is O2C, and and finally we will learn interface development, how we develop the interface between other applications and EBS applications. So these are the course content we are going to cover in this training. So first, today, I just want to introduce what is EBS. I just want to provide one introduction for the EBS. So let's cover let me cover what, why, and how EBS. Okay. So see, what is EBS? Why it is needed, and how to implement the EBS. So these are the three questions you need to ask from yourself. Then you will, find the way to, you will find the way to learn. So before we are going to describe you, what is EBS? Uh, so whenever we start any business, we mostly cover customers, suppliers, partner, employees, right? Without these things, we cannot think about the business. We need to think who will be our customer, from where we will get our items, that is supplier, from which supplier we will purchase the items for the organization, right? And who are going to join us, who are the employees, right? You need to maintain the employees, you need to maintain the customer data, you need to maintain the suppliers, you need to maintain your partners, right? So these are the basic things a business need, right? So EBS, what is EBS? EBS is a Oracle product, which is a complete package of end-to-end solutions for the enterprise and business. So let's see, you have started a small business where you just need, you want to sell something, right? So because this is a small, you have opened a small business. So to take care of this business, you need a small software like Tally. You can use, anyone can use Tally to maintain this business, right? To track your daily transactions. But when your business let's grow, and in let's see, you have around thousands of customers around the world, right? You have multiple suppliers, and you have You have thousands of suppliers, you have thousands of employees, you have thousands of partners. So what we will do to achieve, to manage that business through a software, Tally can't do it, right? A small software can't do it. So there are a lot of products in the market came with the solution to manage this huge organization, huge enterprise, huge businesses. So Oracle has provided, has given a e-business suite, a complete package that can manage the enterprise daily transactions, even reporting and all these things. So Oracle is not the only one in the market. SAP is also a company which come with the solution for this ERP. This is called ERP, that is Enterprise Resource Planning. So we need to maintain customers, we need to maintain the suppliers, we need to maintain the warehouse, we need to maintain our employees, we need to maintain our partners. So these are the uh, key for any business, right? So to maintain these things, to maintain daily transactions, what is happening in day-to-day business, we need business. This need to be monitored. These transactions need to be captured so that business can find out at the end of the day, business can find the solution, like what is the gain, what is the profit for the business, right? And how this data help the management to analyze the transactions, and they can uh, they can come to the point, like they can decide, they can from that data they can analyze that data and analyze the transaction, and then after they can take a crucial decision to uh, grow the business, right? So enterprise, this e-business suite is a complete package that provides provide a huge business, to maintain their transactions. We can there is a uh, this EBS is divided into multiple modules. Like we have purchasing module, we have uh, order management module, we have HRMS module, right? So this is a complete package, we can say, and to provide the end-to-end solution to the business. So this is what is EBS. I think we now you can able to understand what is EBS. So here you can see in this picture, like there, this is EBS in the center. I mean, this is the heart, you can say, heart of the business. So everything, what is going on in the business, this will be recorded in this EBS. Okay, and this is a software, actually, application software that Oracle provides to and sell to the companies, right? So ease of this is, you can say, ease of doing business. So you can see here customer service is there, reporting is there, customer relationship management is there, human capital management is there, finance and asset management is there. So these are procurements, manufacturing, you can see, fulfillment, inventory, business intelligence. So all these parts are, modules of the e-business suite. It means e-business suite can handle and monitor all these transactions, right? So this is all about EBS. So today, uh, And how we are going to implement this EBS. So we will learn how to implement this EBS in the organization in the next session. So these are the parts. I mean, how to implement. These are the parts. First, you need to learn what is application object library. Okay. So these are the things we need to learn, and we will capture this in the next video. Thank you. Thank you so much.